This is a review of the Criterion Compact refrigerator, model CCR44CE1W. 4.4 cubic feet, full depth and half depth slide out glass shelves, 2 full width door storage racks, full width freezer compartment with manual defrost, Energy Star, 115 volts, 60 hertz, R600 refrigerant. I got this from Menards, made in China. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. And here it is out of the box. Estimated yearly energy cost $27. Criterion. Got plastic film. It's all over the thing. With the tape. Take a peek inside. You got shelves. This is the freezer compartment. Hopefully it doesn't explode like that family's whirlpool refrigerator did. The maximum watts for the light bulb is 10 watts, 115 volts AC. So it isn't incandescent, so it's got that going for it. Now let me get all this tape and crap off of here. And see, here's the freezer compartment. Slide out ice tray, I guess. Look at the manual and see what this is. Probably like a vent. So, thermostat. So I'll go through the manual and everything and we'll be back. Alright, refrigerator is cleaned. I wiped it all down with 409. Then I washed the shells off in the laundry tub, rinsed the 409 off, used a damp rag. Still got the 409 smell, but I wiped everything off the best I could, following the directions. Plugged into an appliance cord, plugged into the outlet under there. It's off at the moment. See what happens. It's on. You can't hear it, but it is running. And how long it'll take to get cold, I don't know. Put some beer in here. So really not much to do. I'll come back later and see if it gets cold or not. That's the freezer door. So I'll come back. Let's see if it does anything. Okay, it's been a few hours. How are we doing? Getting cold. That's definitely cold. So she's getting there. I got it set on 3. I don't have a thermometer on me, so I don't know what exact temperature it is in there at the moment, but so far it's working. Time to tell how long it will stand up. You know, China pride. Using weird refrigerant. You know, cheaper. We'll see. If it fails, I'll get a full-size refrigerator. But let's see what it does for now. Put pop, put beer, whatever in here. Especially if I ever get JK18 up here, he's gonna want beer. So, there's my damn knife, was looking for that. So that's it. This is the review on the Criterion Compact refrigerator. 4.4 cubic feet with full width freezer. Thanks for watching.